like dead fish.
You see how the mangroves grow, Mama?
Chloe, don't touch anything.
I see a spider web. Look at the spider.
Where?
Look at the spider, Mom.
Where? Walk behind your dad. Because you taller. Oh, it's ankle.
That's why I used to drop the boat, Mama. You have to bring the boat right out here. But I hate this one. It takes too long to get out of the thing. Oh, we're going this way. We're going to go this way.
Look over here. Woo! Dad, come look now. Come look at our shepherd banana.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, Mom, look. These leaves look like hearts.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. Go ahead. I'm coming. I'm just taking my time and looking. Gotta remember no pop my gum.
There's a little hill going back down here.
Okay. We used to come out here all the time.
With Dad. Mom, come on.
Go ahead. I'm just.
There's lots of people coming up.
Okay, my little protector. Number 3. Look at that big boat.
I see it. But it's not.
Boat on the water. You see any grapevines?
Monsieur, I'm taking it.
Hey, be careful, Mama.
Adriana, be careful in that. You can slip and fall.
Scrape it up.
That's how it is when you run in sand with shoes on. You can slip and fall, or even drive in sand and hit the brakes.
Mom, look
Slide.
at that little lizard.
The lizard. What the thing got a lizard at the house?
And there's another one.
Oh shoot! What the heck happened? Yeah, but don't jump or slide.
Great.
But if there's anything you bought at the store that you want to
See, this is called scorpion tail.
Where's the scorpion tail?
This is called scorpion tail.
It looks like a scorpion tail on the top, Daddy. Okay, now come
I
on.
wonder what's the other name and what's the beneficial, or is it poison?
No, it's not poison.
Scorpion tail.
It's pretty. It grows big too.
Oh, this is it too?
I can catch this one too. I can catch
It looks almost like in the mint family. In a way. Somebody jamming on the boat. Adriana,
It's a small version of the sunflower.
the who flower?
Sunflower?
Oh,
It's a small
okay.
version of it.
I wonder what my thing is, what medicinal purpose it has. And what you call it?
Well, it's a sunflower. That's like the mini or the what's it called?
The miniature one?
Miniature.
Is that a tugboat?
Yep. No, it's not a live. It's going to boat in. Boy, they gonna pay for that right there.
Their boat broke down.
Yep. They gonna
Didn't you do that before? You had to pay like 200 and something?
Uh-huh.
275 or something?
Yeah.
Tugging in the boat.
I'm getting.
You use that same company. Towboat us, the U.S. Roll out the money. They probably want they can't get their money right on. I don't think nobody carrying that.
They don't pay that.
So you gotta have that money in your
you gotta have
pocket.
that money in your pocket. Or you have the credit card. They don't pay that. Oh, you gonna pay. There's no credit with that. One way or the other.
Is that
What?
what is that?
Oh, that's
Come over, Chloe.
That's a rubber ficus.
A rubber fight.
Yeah.
Cool.
Big close pay.
Another fight.
What are those other?
Well, just the same small miniature sunflower. Other than that, you get the mangroves.
Well, I
Focus on
shoulda-
broad.
Look, mangrove.
There's another boat.
That's nice.
Yeah, it looks cool.
There's another boat coming in.
What's
Look, they have a little dock.
We have by another boat. It won't be. I would never come out through this channel again. It takes almost 2 hours to get out of here, and
Wow.
you got to run idle speed. Right? If they catch me doing that speed right there, they'll give me a ticket.
Yeah, come on, I don't know.
Huh?
Actually, I think I do.
Go well.
You want to go on the dock? Let's go on. You can see the water. Hi. Find you. Don't touch, Mama. You see any fishes?
Fishies.
Fishes.
I see rocks. And I see the trail that the boat was going
So relaxing out here.
in the sun.
Yeah. You from the islands?
From Guyana.
Oh, okay. It's just
Oh, look over there.
Yeah,
I see
water.
seaweed.
yes, me too.
Seaweed. Look over there. Seaweed.
Oh, they look like the seaweed we eat.
You guys from the islands too?
My husband,
What part of the island?
Bahamas.
Oh, he's from the Bahamas.
Uh-huh.
Look at the little waves. Dad, come over here. Come over here.
The water, the water. If you go further out is nice too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you walk all the way to the end.
Uh-huh.
All the way to the end.
Fish.
Trail.
He said fish.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Mullets. Adriana, hold on to your dad, Adriana.
Look, Mama, they're going that way. You see the mullets?
Oh, I see.
You sure?
Are they pink?
No, they're not.
They still there?
No, they was right along the rock. See, they're still right there?
Maybe I'll get it on camera. You can see it later.
Oh,
I doubt it.
what,
That
did they
water's
have
just-
green
Yeah,
looking
it's dirty.
tails?
Some dirty water.
Did they have green looking tails?
No.
Oh.
Green tails. I used to eat the mullen roll. I didn't like the fish. I didn't like the mullen fish.
Mullet? Yeah, I never seen no mullet. It's a mullet.
I meant the oh, I thought you said mullen. That's a herb.
Mullen, yeah. Mullen. Is that what you was?
She was saying to come. Chloe, look on that side too.
Yeah, I see it.
They really cleaned out down here.
It's the
What
one
is that
problem
right
is-
there? Wait, Adriana.
This stuff, that used to grow in the yard when we first moved there. That there is a weed.
No such thing.
Call somebody that cares. You can find somebody that cares.
Smell the salt water. So you can smell the salt water. Oh my God, that water stinks.
But that's not thinner.
Chloe, Adriana, that's a whole. Oh my God. You have to watch where you're
That's
going.
volcano though, but it looks like it.
Ezra, gonna watch where you're going, okay?
Okay. I'll
Oh, we got a fish. It's in the bag. It's in the bag. Oh boy, my foot. Got on the wrong shoes like that. I have a cramp in my foot.
You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, it's beautiful.
And there's another one right there.
It caught one.
What a what?
A worm or something? Where did it go?
They ran over there. Both of them ran over there. Some over there. Right there. You see them right there?
Yeah, I see him. Saw it just moved. Ezriana, be careful, please. Our little nature girl. Number 2. I thought that was the water. What them darn people out there partying. Ezriana.
You ain't see the pelicans out there, baby?
The who?
Pelicans. You see them out there? The small ones.
Ezriana, be careful, okay?
That's mothers picking them like that.
How far down you going? I hear him down there. They have. Totally. This place used to be so quiet and peaceful. Huh? Oh, they on the boat. I thought they were having a party down there. This is a boat. Y'all done scared all the fish away with that noise. Ooh, you smell that gas? Oh my gosh. Chloe, cover your nose. Oh.
I saw it.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that gas is so strong. Oh. Chloe, cover your nose, please. Ezriana, is that diesel?
No, it's gasoline.
I mean, it's really, these bushes make it even stronger. The mangrove. Yeah, I don't smell it now. That's good. Where you at now? Wait, stay right there.
Yeah, with your purse on my shoulder.
No, I didn't even have that. I thank you for carrying it because it's 1,000 pounds. Picture. You looking at me? All right.
But I wanted to go see the opening.
At least I wasn't trying to get that on there.
Hopefully, when you bike, you gotta get a bike for your mind. You still remember.
See the pelicans out there. Thank you guys for coming on our nature walk. So nice out here. so nice out here. We used to go fishing. My husband used to go fishing all the time. Most people have boats. They don't even go fishing like that here. Most people. But anyway, Thousand Roses. One love, baby. That's how we do it. One love. Thank you, guys. Oh, you know what I said? I had closed out. But I was thinking maybe I'll see something else. I was thinking maybe I'll see something else that's interesting. But this is us on our evening trail walk. Stank up in here.